An impact window installed wrong is just a window. Let me tell you something that might surprise you. The installer almost matters more than the window itself. And I've seen $2,000 impact windows fail just because they did a poor job installing it. And here's what causes failures. They don't use the right amount of anchors. They use the wrong pattern. They use the wrong screw length. They don't use any shims. They leave gaps in your sealant. Frames can be twisted. Worst of all, they rush the whole installation. Florida code requires that the system be tested under pressure cycles. And if your installer cuts corners, the window can actually separate from the structure. So we pay attention to things such as the screw length, how far that screw goes into the structure, which is called the minimum embedment of that screw or anchor. Because at the end of the day, the installation matters, the testing matters. And for the safety of your home, code compliance matters too. And here at Bigfoot Windows and Roofing, we try to get it right every single time. We might not be in hurricane season now, but it's a perfect time to install windows. Bigfoot Windows and Roofing, building trust, one roof, one door, one window at a time.